Hello everyone, this is Andy. So today I'm going to show you the snus production packing line. So you can see this is the whole line and this is the snus. So this line is contained with the 6 parts. The first part is the snus packing machine. The second part is the conveyor belt and the elevator feeding machine. And the third part is the counting machine. And the fourth part is the cans packing machine. And the 5th part is the labeling machine. And the final part, the 6th part, is the heat wrapping machine. So, okay, we can see here this part. And this is the snus packing machine. And the function of this machine is to packing the snus powder to the bag. And then they will conveyor via the conveyor belt to here. So we can see this part. So each snus product will be dropped into the heater and will convey to the belt and shipped to the feeding machine. Okay, here is the second part, the feeding machine. Here is a snus. After he fall them to the heater, so he will ship to this container via the vibration device, and he will ship to the top of the part and fall them into the counting machine. Okay, here is the third part, the counting part and the cans filling part. So this one is the bottle filling machine. So wherever you put the cans jar on the bottle on here, so he will let the cans to move to the conveyor belt automatically. Okay, so see the cans. So when he in the conveyor belt to here, and this wife will be falling down and grab the cans and fill the snus powder and the snus pouch inside. And then he will ship to the next station, the cans capping machine. So the function of here is to let the can to cap the cans. So as we can see here, there are 2 labeling machines in here. So this one is the label part. So after the can move to the conveyor belt to here, this one is the style labeling. After this station complete, he will move to the next station. This one also the labeling machine, but his function is to label the top and the back side. So okay, now we are going to the final part, the heat shrink film wrapping machine. Okay, we can see the here. This function is to wrap all the cans and then make the stick like this one. So we can customize the 5 cans per piece or the 10 cans per piece. Okay, so the capacity of this whole production line is the 10 cans per minute. So if you in the future want to increase the capacity, we can add the packing machine here. We also can upgrade the counting machine, also can upgrade the can machine and the labeling machine. So if you have any requirement, please feel free to contact me to get the new solution and the new information. So our company will provide you the design drawing and the production overview and the more detailed information. Thank you for the video.